G'day guys, it's Kev here, and I'm going to try the mPort 3D body scanner pod at Pacific Werribee again, and see how I go on my measurements. It's been a long time since I've done it, and back then I just came out of hospital, had a bit of a scare, health scare, but I'm okay now, so I should have put on some weight. So we'll see how my stats are, and we'll check out my 3D body scan and the rest of my stats.
Make sure there is nothing on the floor.
Alright, so here we go again.
Here with the body. If you have long hair, please tie it in a bun like this, so the back of your neck is visible. Do not tie it on top of your head, as this will affect your height measurement. If you need a hair tie, please take one from the wall on your right. Please use this time to remove your clothes, except your undergarments. When you are ready, tap continue.
We're ready.
Please match your feet to the footprints on the floor, with the red line running through the middle of your feet.
I'm going to leave my socks on.
To measure yourself correctly, please match the pose below. Keep your arms straight and touch your knuckles to the pads beside you. To get your true height.
Cool, so that was pretty easy the second time around. It's much easier now that I've got an account, logged in. I did the express login with the QR code, and it obviously knows who I am. And so I literally just skipped all the steps because I knew what to do this time. So let's check out, hopefully, how I've gone.
Passport is now ready. Here are just a few of your key measurements. Great. Please visit mPort.com to start using your measurement passport. Thank you for using mPort, and we look forward to seeing you next time.